Are you a big fan of South Park and Eric Cartman? Today, I'll show you how to use a free AI-powered real-time voice changer to sound just like Cartman in games, live streams, or chats. Introducing SoundBot, a real-time voice changer with 300+ sound filters. It's super easy to use. Just download SoundBot on your computer and search for Eric here. Once selected, your voice transforms into Cartman's in real time.
This is abuse! I'm a child, and I'm entitled to attention!
If it's your first time using it, just follow the quick setup prompts to adjust your input and output devices. Want to use it on different platforms? Just tweak the voice settings. SoundBot isn't just for Cartman. Tons of other popular cartoon voices like Mickey Mouse, SpongeBob, Aster from Hazbin Hotel. In my next video, I'll show you how to generate Eric Cartman's voice from text. So please subscribe to our channel.